By the way, the time goes very fast. So now we'll do the online interviews as you're soldering. Tell me your thoughts. Name and rank, and what are your thoughts so far in the soldering competition?
Charles Bird, MPG level 1. It's going pretty good.
Yeah, good. And how are you going so
Good.
far? Do you want to say hi to anybody?
I'd like to say hi to my mom,
Good.
who inspired me to solder.
Nice. Was your mom a good? Was your mom a good solderer?
She was great. She was a world champion solderer.
Excellent. And your name for the record?
Joey McGraw.
Joey McGraw, soldering diligently away. Hasn't put on his switches, which will be making those LEDs very hard to come out. Josh,
Good
any thoughts for the camera on this historic occasion?
I kind of like carrots. I think that's a good thought.
Okay.
That was a really good thought.
Cats are nice too. I like cats.
Cats are great.
Yes.
Dogs.
Uh-oh. And so begins cats versus dogs.
Uh-oh.
I'd like everybody to know
This
that
is
I'm
the
the
real
Batman.
war.
Yep.
That you're what?
I'm the Batman, and that's about it.
Okay. And you don't want to disclose your real name at this time for the competition?
No, I'm Benjamin, and this soldering competition is awesome, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun.
It'll be way better when there's music.
How do you know which way it is?
That one doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't matter. And do we solder on the bottom?
Yep. Any thoughts for the camera?
Shouldn't have drank an energy drink before I started. My hands a bit shaky here.
Yes, the old shaky hands, but going pretty well. Doing all the tall sixes. Nice. Take a rest if you need. How's it going?
Good. Pretty good.
Any thoughts? Want to admit who you are?
I am Justin Heskich, and I would say don't go to the gym before you solder.
Another good piece of advice. I actually didn't get a name if you want to go on record.
David Marino, MPG level
David.
1.
All right. Good job, David.
Thank you.
Kevin, anything insightful? Kevin hates soldering.
Soldering is just like I remember it. hasn't changed in the last 10 years.
And Kevin is doing both competitions. Really wants to win a soldering station. And last but not least, Ross, what do you want to say to the camera?
Everything I've done in my life up to this point has led to this soldering competition.
That's probably true.
And frankly, it's going awesome.
Excellent. You'll be pleased to know that 7 minutes have gone by.
Oh dear God.
My 20-minute time doesn't look too bad, does it, boys?
Can I restate my confidence?
Yeah.
I'm thinking my one LED lit goal is not so bad anymore.
It is hard.
Anybody else interested in an extra minute?
There's 1 minute remaining.
Is this like Jeopardy for 5 minutes?
Let's see.
Okay, time to break all the
Everybody agree to 5 more minutes.
Yes, thank God.
When the timer goes, you will have 5 more minutes, but I can't extend it beyond that.
Okay. Where's the plug-in?
Actually, that's probably why I haven't used
That's great. So I used to work with a guy at Nortel, and we'd be working on the 600-volt base stations. Oh, look at that.
I just tested once. I
Oh.
fix something, but
All right, time's up.
Light up one.
Yeah, you went backwards.
Okay,
So, you're gonna unplug your irons, plug in your adapters. Let's see if this is gonna be easy or if this is gonna be hard.
That sucks. What a mess.
So many backwards LEDs.
Yeah.
5 out of them
I
are
tried to do
upside down.
I tried to do 3 sets. I started.
So, we have, holy crap, there's 9.
Oh, destroy.
9. Who do we got?
Destroy.
Are you plug in? That's not working. Are they gonna plug in?
Yeah.
We have 4. What do we got over here?
That's probably yours.
I would just roll diodes. I had them all. I'm like, didn't solder them. That was good.
Nice done. I was hoping for 6. Something's wrong with
Well, that's alright, Because I actually was, had another roll done, and then I realized I didn't even diodes back here, so.
I got 4. Did you get them all? 5.
So resistors.
You got them all on.
That's
You
not
had
bad.
5 too.
One fell off.
I got
I've got 7 soldered.
I got 6 soldered.
So, champion!
Thank you.
Bring it on. So, I'd like to thank all of you for participating, and it's a privilege to handle this. There's the guy I have to go and speak to. So, this is fun. I hope you guys have fun. And of course, we can finish these boards and
Pay you.
oh yeah, pay. And know that you guys are with the pioneers of the solid rock.
This only needs to be something like Engenuics.
Yes, and I mean, I know it's hard, but I think that as you get better, it will get easier. And certainly, I think the way it works allows it to be new or veterans at this. But everything is in here for your complete solder kit.
Thank you,
There you are,
Jason.
sir. Thank you for participating.